Hello, student of class 7. Let's revise the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In my last video, I discussed about buccal tree, esophagus, and now we are going to discuss about stomach. What will happen food after entering into the stomach? Stomach is a J-shaped and thick-walled bag-like muscular organ located in the left side of the abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal and can hold up to 2 liters of food at a time. The cells lining the stomach secrete digestive juice, hydrochloric juice, and mucus. So this digestive juice, hydrochloric acid, and mucus are the gastric juice which secreted by the stomach lining wall. And these digestive juice are again two types. One is pepsin. Pepsin means digestive juice break the protein. Hydrochloric acid kills the microbes that enter the body. With the food, it also provides the acidic medium so that the pepsin, that means digestive juice, can work. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the strong hydrochloric acid. Food remains in the stomach for about 4 hours and is churned into a paste. This partially digested food is called chyme, and this chyme passes into the small intestine for further digestion. So student, we have come to know that in stomach one gastric juice secrete, and this gastric juice contain digestive juice means pepsin, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. Pepsin break the protein, so we can say in stomach protein starting, and that day we understand that in our mouth carbohydrates start breaking. But remember, fat yet not broken. Fat is a big molecule, so this fat molecule will be break down in our small intestine. So let's discuss about the small intestine. Small intestine is highly coiled muscular tube and is about 7.5 meter long. It is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Further digestion of food takes place here. Small intestine receive two kinds of juice. One juice received from liver, another one from the gland pancreas. Liver is the largest gland in our body. It is reddish brown colored gland located in the upper part of the abdomen side. It secretes a yellowish green fluid called bile. So bile juice is secreting from the liver gland. Bile is stored in a sac-like structure called gallbladder. Bile is released into the small intestine when needed through a narrow tube called the bile duct. Bile duct the acidity of chyle and plays an important role in the digestion of fats. So student, remember, bile juice secreted by the liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body, and this bile is a yellow color. This bile can break down molecule. Another juice received by the small intestine is a pancreatic juice, which is secreted from the pancreas gland, which is located just below the stomach. and it acts carbohydrate, protein, and fats in the food to digest them into simpler form. So pancreatic juice contain some enzyme. The enzyme are actually lipase, which can break down the fat. The wall of the small intestine also secrete certain digestive juice that help in the digestion of components of food. Carbohydrates are converted into simple sugar such as glucose, fat into fatty acid, and protein into amino acid. So remember, carbohydrate whenever break it become simple sugar like glucose. Fat whenever break down it become fatty acid, which deposited under our skin for emergency requirement, and protein whenever break down it become amino acid.